Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable hot corner on your MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. On my previous video, I've shown you how to enable hot corner on your MacBook. But now, what if you want to disable this feature, you want to turn off this feature? The hot corner on Mac is one of the most productive macOS features. That said, some people may not find them that useful. Since hot corner are super sensitive and quick, it's common for you to trigger them by accidentally. I completely understand how annoying it if those actions are triggered unknowingly, especially if you're in the middle of something really important. So now, what if you want to turn off this feature? It's so simple. So you can just open your system preferences in your MacBook. You can go to desktop and screensaver. Click on desktop and screensaver. From desktop, you can go to screensaver section by click on screensaver in here. And you'll find on the bottom right here, there is an option hot corner. You can just click on that. So as you can see in here, I have two actions activate on my hot corner. On the bottom left, notification center, and also on the bottom right, there is a quick note here. So to turn this off, you can just click on here and you can just choose on strip like this. Now you can just click on OK. So now you have disabled, you have unactivate, turn off your hot corner on your MacBook. So now let's try to put this pointer on the bottom left. As you can see in here, there's no notification center open again, and also on the bottom right, there is no action appear or open it on your MacBook screen. So simple, right? So that is how to disable, how to turn off hot corner on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.